Hey folks, how you doing? It's Robert here today. We're doing a little test review. I got an ounce of fuel. I got my 2-cup cup, and I got my 1.75 cup. You've seen it before. My alcohol stove fits right into my cups. Okay, these are the ones I make myself out of a beer can, pop can. Okay, so they're saying the average time for these to boil water is around, between 6 and 8 minutes. It all depends what you're using. Everybody likes to use titanium, but the thing is, titanium, a 2-cup titanium cup's 40 or 50 bucks. Right? The stoves, Evernew sells one for 45 bucks. You can get a Tangier, but you need a pot stand and stuff with it. Well, mine, you don't need a pot stand. Mine got the winter kit built right into it. As you can see, the top's dented in case your stove or your pot is wet or any of that kind of stuff. If it's wet, you just put it on there and it won't put out the stove. So we're going to dump the fuel in. We're going to light it. I got my stopwatch up there on the computer, so you just bear with me here for a second until I get it lit, because I'm going to need 2 hands. Okay, we'll give it a few minutes here. Well, not a few minutes, but a few seconds to do its thing when it comes to lighten up when it first starts to blossom. Okay, we're using an ounce of fuel. It blossomed there in about 30 seconds, so we're going to put the pot on. You can see mine burns orange. We're going to hit start on the timer. So there, the timer's going. And we'll see how long it takes to boil 2 cups of water. So we'll be back after about, we'll give it 3 minutes, and then we'll be back. There's 1 minute in, folks. Just to let you know that that this stove here, I've been burning this for just about a year now, since last hunting season, and I've burned it a few hundred times anyway. The cost on my stoves for one of mine is like I charge 12 bucks with the stove and the cup, so it's a big difference between what a titanium one costs. The water is 2 cups of cold water out of my tap. 2.5 minutes in. 3.5 minutes in. Going on there for 5 minutes. There's 6 minutes in. It's getting there. Six minutes and 30 seconds to a rolling boil.